Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the device into airplane mode to remove cellular connections. However, you can keep Wi-Fi on if aircraft rules allow. Once done, open WhatsApp and compose your message, attach photos or voice notes now so they are ready to send. Make sure to save any drafts if you need to leave the app. You do this because queued messages will wait locally until a network becomes available. Preparing now avoids scrambling later when connectivity returns. You press send even though airplane mode blocks cellular. WhatsApp queues those messages locally and shows a clock icon to indicate pending status. Once done, attach images or videos. WhatsApp preserves them and increments upload progress only when Wi-Fi or mobile data returns. Make sure to record voice notes in app. They save instantly to the conversation so you won't lose them. This works because WhatsApp handles offline queuing. The app performs You complete the sequence by reactivating connectivity, disable airplane mode, or simply enable Wi-Fi if permitted by the flight crew. Once your device connects, WhatsApp automatically uploads queued items. You'll see a single tick for server receipt, then double ticks for delivery. Make sure to watch the media upload progress bar. Large files may take longer. If messages remain stuck, toggle the network, force close and reopen WhatsApp. Then resend the problematic item. This troubleshooting step clears transient network or app cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.